Feel sharper, calmer, and more resilient under pressure daily. 10 reasons to add tyrosine supplements to your routine. Boost mental performance and reduce stress with daily tyrosine. Study sessions. Maintain focus through long lectures and late nights. Tight deadlines. Stay alert. Solve problems faster. Avoid brain fog. Night shifts. Preserve cognitive clarity and steady energy overnight. Pre-workout focus. Support motivation, reaction time, and endurance. Tyrosine is a precursor to dopamine and norepinephrine. This supports neurotransmitter synthesis under stress and cognitive demand. Pharmaceutical-grade L-tyrosine ensures purity and predictable absorption profile. Doses range from 500 mg to 1500 mg for tailored support. Higher potency options suit athletes and intense cognitive demands. Non-stimulant support, sustained alertness without jittery side effects. Helps reduce stress-related cognitive decline during high-pressure moments. Supports healthy glandular function and balanced neurotransmitter signaling. Vegan, gluten-free, and hypoallergenic formulations available for sensitivity. Multiple reputable brands offer validated lab-tested purity and potency. Now, pure encapsulations, Solgar, double wood, and alpha flow examples. Real life. Students report clearer studying, faster recall, longer concentration. Professionals solve complex tasks faster, handle meetings without brain fog. Shift workers adapt sleep-wake challenges with steadier daytime productivity. Athletes and biohackers use tyrosine for acute pre-performance focus. Combine with omega-3s for enhanced cognitive resilience and stress response. Timing matters. Take daytime before demanding tasks, not late evening. Start low, monitor effects, and adjust dose for personal needs. Choose quality brands. Look for non-GMO, lab-tested, transparent labels. Integrates well into daytime routines when used responsibly and consistently. 10 clear reasons. Focus, stress resilience, alertness, mood, performance. Make tyrosine a simple upgrade to your daily wellness toolkit. Click the link in the description and try a trusted L-tyrosine product and experience sharper days.